Welcome back. Today we are looking at the best Honeywell fire alarm system commercial Honeywell Intellisense FG1625RFM round flush. Honeywell fire alarm system commercial solutions are widely recognized for delivering dependable, intelligent, and scalable protection in professional environments. The Honeywell Intellisense FG1625RFM round flush mount Glassbreak detector stands as a highly specialized security component designed to enhance intrusion detection systems with precision and reliability. Check the video description for the updated price link. Built for commercial facilities, office complexes, retail stores, and high-security zones, this Glassbreak detector is engineered to detect the sound frequency patterns of breaking glass with remarkable accuracy. In modern security infrastructure, false alarms are a major concern, and Honeywell has developed this device to minimize those disruptions while maintaining top-tier sensitivity. In today's evolving security landscape, integrating intelligent detection systems into a Honeywell fire alarm system commercial setup is no longer optional, it is essential. Whether used in conjunction with fire alarm networks or standalone intrusion systems, this device enhances situational awareness and response readiness. The Honeywell FG1625RFM is engineered with precision acoustic detection, technology that distinguishes actual glass break events from ambient noise. This makes it particularly valuable in environments where background noise is common. Advanced acoustic sensing uses dual-stage frequency analysis to detect real glass break signatures. Round flush mount design seamlessly integrates into ceilings or walls for discrete installation. Wide coverage area capable of monitoring large rooms, typically ideal for commercial layouts. Reduced false alarms intelligent filtering technology reduces environmental interference. Compatibility works efficiently within Honeywell intrusion and Honeywell fire alarm system commercial environments. Professional-grade build designed for long-term durability in high-traffic areas. This detector is especially effective in retail stores, banks, museums, and office buildings where glass surfaces are prevalent and security sensitivity is critical. One of the strongest advantages of the FG1625RFM is its round flush mount configuration, which allows it to blend naturally into ceilings and walls without disrupting interior aesthetics. This is especially important in commercial environments where visual cleanliness matters as much as security performance. Installation is straightforward for certified technicians. The device is designed to integrate smoothly into existing alarm systems, particularly those built on Honeywell platforms. When used in a Honeywell fire alarm system commercial configuration, it enhances the system's ability to detect intrusion-related emergencies before escalation occurs. Its low-profile design also reduces tampering risk, making it an ideal choice for sensitive environments like financial institutions or controlled access facilities. Performance is where the Honeywell Intellisense FG1625RFM truly excels. It uses advanced signal processing to analyze sound waves and identify the distinct acoustic signature of breaking glass. This ensures that normal environmental sounds such as clattering objects, doors closing, or machinery noise do not trigger false alarms. In real-world deployments, particularly in retail storefronts and commercial office buildings, this detector significantly improves response times to break-in attempts. Security teams benefit from early warning detection, which can prevent theft, vandalism, or unauthorized access. When integrated into a Honeywell fire alarm system commercial infrastructure, the FG1625RFM contributes to a multi-layered security approach. It complements smoke detectors, motion sensors, and access control systems, forming a unified safety network. Its reliability under different acoustic conditions makes it suitable for both quiet and noisy environments, including shopping malls, warehouses, and public institutions. Check the link in the description to get yours today.